Welcome back to MCLQ. This is Benjamin McLean reporting. Just want to let you know the hurricane's still going on. The winds are still strong, and it's still raining pretty bad. And by the way, if you are interested, we do have a boat. That boat is for sale. If you're interested, we know the owners. They are family. You can contact us via Facebook, and we can get you in touch with the right people who are selling that boat. You might want it because it's raining pretty bad, and it's going to be a lot of water. So, the wind is picking up. This is Hurricane Zeta. This is Benjamin McLean with MCLQ.